So New Banana Highland, now the entrance with this.
We dey walk out with our leg, but before this time, we no fit walk out reach this point where we dey now. Now water full this side, and the road no reach here. We dey stop somewhere, they do our video. But today, we dey tell you say we dey walk out with our own leg. They go there. See how the walk they go fast. Trust our person now. We be the governor. He be talk and do. Once he talk say go do something, he dey do am. He promise us say go do this bridge, and we don't see the evidence. Say he dey do am. Oh, wetin they wait for? Come collect your own one plot wey be say from Odili to this place na just 2 minutes drive. You go just enter straight, you go refinery, go see wetin dey happen there, you come back. Now where your plot today? Oh, because Port-Harcourt now they move to this area. Now this area everybody they move for Port-Harcourt. Oh, so it good as everybody they move, you follow them move. When people begin say when it all right, you go follow your own, you go follow them say as it all right. Wetin they wait for? What are you waiting for? We dey wait for. In fact, we don't already they tell you say welcome on board. So welcome on board.
Make it not be like say Madam Peku too they talk too much. At least you don't hear from another person's mouth. Hey, New Banana Highland in Port-Harcourt, River State, Nigeria. All the way from Mercy Homes and Properties. All you need to do is to call me on 0903429651 to get your plot.